Hello, just bought this guitar just north of San Francisco at Guitar Center. Dime Razorback. My son bought it. He's coming down in a second to work on it. Just going over it. We just took the strings off. At the headstock, it's pretty good. It's already unbolted, so let's pop the neck out. Headstock, pretty good shape, but it's a bit dirty. See all the gunk and goo. The original screws are in there. It doesn't look like they've ever been taken out. There's no marks on the screw heads. And the Grover tuner is good shape. There's a serial number and made in China. But we're going to go ahead and take the tuners out so that the headstock can be buffed and polished a little bit. Just cleaned up really well. I already checked the nut. The nut height's good. So just going to leave that alone. Not going to do anything. The frets look okay. There's slight wear on them, but nothing major. Nothing to really worry about. And see the fretboard. Some signs of wear, but nothing to really worry about. So just cleaning up real good. There's the 12th fret. So it's pretty good shape all over for the neck. So let's take the tuners out and buff the headstock. And then for the body, we'll just go through it. Same thing, kind of. Take the pots out, take the Floyd Rose out, pickups out, and switch out. And then we'll buff the whole body and get it all shiny. This is going through the pickups here. My son's just going to pull them out. The stock pickups, they're not branded or anything.
Yeah, I think they're the exact same pickup on both neck and
could well
bridge.
Be. It may have an N or a B. I can't see it though on them.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Anyway, we'll pop them out right now and then continue on later going through them. We're just gonna put ones we're gonna put in, Keith.
This Dime Seymour Duncan.
Yeah, definitely in the bridge, hey.
In the bridge. And
where did that other one go? Is it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Seymour Duncan.
That's in the neck.
Yeah, Jazz in the neck. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So two great pickups, both Seymour Duncan, and hopefully the guitar sounded pretty good in Guitar Center when we tried it. But hopefully these pickups will just make it that much more hotter and better. And I mean, why not? It's coming apart, so let's put some good pickups in it. Okay, let's get the pickup out. Let's set the camera.
Hold on. Another thing. We're gonna put these on.
Yeah, definitely.
Ernie Ball Cobalt strings. I use these for every guitar I have. I mean, VMNT has them. Does the Explorer have them?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Does it? I'm not sure. I think so. It will eventually.
Mm-hmm. I know the BC Rich has Cobalt. These are really, really, really good strings for metal guitars if you want anything distorted. I mean, they're basically just your slinky strings, but they just output a lot more.
Yeah.
You get more gain, so.
Yeah, well, when we first got the guitar, we put a set of D'Addario XLs on it.
Those were not good.
And the first thing Keith did was take them right off, because they suck. They just don't bend, and they don't have the output that those do. And
yeah. I actually got to cut my finger. I don't know where it is.
From taking the strings off? Okay.
Yeah. I was just a little cut on my thumb, because I was lifting the guitar and I'm like...
Yeah, here's the old strings here. It's the colored ball ends, but
I was like, take
them off right away and put some good Ernie balls on. Okay, so let's pop out the pickups. I'll just I'll edit the film and run it fast motion because it takes a little while. Okay, so that's about it. Now it is. We don't sound from now on. Can you see it? There we go.
Oh, the funny thing is, someone recommended that brand of strings. What were they? GH or S or
no, those were D'Addario.
Yeah, someone said you should put D'Addario strings on that. I'm like, ew. No.
Maybe, but we're not high. Okay, let's flip this baby over and take off the cover.
Cover's already off.
Oh, this guy.
Oh.
So what are you gonna use there? Go. what bin are you using?
This bin.
I thought you had one marked with the...
Yeah, here, this bin.
Oh, that one. Okay, yeah, you're right. Okay, sorry.
Should I put them in there?
Yeah,
The short one goes in there.
Body over. I take them in so they won't fall out. Get this out of the way.
Oh.
What? Oh. That becomes garbage. It doesn't matter, there's junk anyway. Yeah. It's no good. Get pulled by the wire, yeah. Perfect. Let's hold the camera and stuff. Can you get the shot? Yeah, there you go. Good. That's about it. Okay, so tomorrow we'll put in the hotties. Oh no, we gotta still take it apart.
Yeah.
So this, let's take off the springs. Okay. Yeah, they should come off not bad. So, what do we got for that? I got these guys here. Just grab there and pop up. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Let's put all 3 springs in the bin. Now the tremolo should fall out, basically. There we go. Yeah, get that on film. Good job. Okay. That's good.
Oh my god, this is a heavy ass.
That is heavy. That's where the weight comes in on the trim, eh?
Yeah, now it's light as a feather.
Yeah. Let's pull the other knobs off. Straight up. Yeah.
Oh.
Let's show it the camera. See the special grips on it. Yeah, good. Perfect. Okay. That's about it. And then, oh, could you grab those sockets all in a row there? Yeah, got that. And a little screwdriver thing beside the black marker. Yeah. And then I think it'll be. Yeah, but oh, Allen key. I'll get it. Take like that one off maybe. Let's see if it fits these. Yeah, it's pretty good. So take the screwdriver and it's back. Just cracking loose.
Counterclockwise?
Yeah, counter, yeah. A little bit more. That's good. Get this one. Sweet. Now get a screwdriver and take those out. Close that, Phillips. You know what? Take your socket first and crack this nut here loose.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, it's loose already. Okay, good. Makes that easy. Okay, just take it off. Usually they're bolted on properly.
Yeah, whoever had this guitar last put it in really bad shape.
Yes. There, that's about it. That thing can just hide down in there. What kind of wires is that? Are they good quality wires?
I can't check. I have no clue. Doesn't look like it. They're like two white ass skinny.
Oh, they don't come up very far.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, they're good. They're fine. That's good. Yeah, let's shove that down and then just buff over top of it.
And this?
Yeah, that has to come out. So I have to pull it over and oh my, so pop these screws out too. Just wind them out. That's the cut we have to do in that other body.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that one. Big long screw.
Yeah. Okay, it's all that stuff. So this will all smooth out there. Put that last guy out. Now I'll take off that cover there. Get these out of the way. There's nothing in these cars all scratched.
There we go.
That's easy. Oh, right here. Okay. Oh, someone's been meddling. Look at that.
Holy shit.
Look at that. What's going on? What is that shit? What is that? Meddling kids.
Oh my god.
Price tag?
Huh?
What? Show that to the camera.
8727.
It was on a cigarette package. What does that mean? Code? Those coordinates? I don't know. Anyway, that was how they're holding the switch in. With the cigarette wrapper. So now that switch should come right out. There we go. Beauty. Well, that's good. That's great. Okay, so we'll buff the front, buff the back. Start putting it all back together tomorrow.
And get all these off of there.
Yeah, all the fine scratches, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's in the front?
There'll be a little bit of...
And dust all this off and...
Yeah.
Like buff that and
Yeah.
that and...
You can touch up the corners a bit if you want.
What do you mean?
Just get some black paint and just touch them up.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Yeah, so that's good.
Nice.
Okay, I'll stop rolling there. Is that it we're going to show on the thing?
That's it.
I think so. Yeah, so... Where's that?
Yeah, where... here.
So the weight
So
comes
much
in.
heavier.
Yeah.
This is like, I don't know, 5 ounces.
Yeah.
I mean,
the tremolos are always heavier.
this is like 1 or 2 pounds.
Yeah.
And the actual body of it, there's so much wood in it. Like, usually a guitar is, I don't know, like that, like maybe that wide at the most. And
Yeah.
that, yeah, like here, if we get this old PV.
I don't know if it was an over you laid on top.
Yeah, yeah.
careful, the switches are hanging out.
So that's the widest point of the PV, like it lines up there. And that's the bottom.
Yeah, put them like pickup to pickup and see how they look. Yeah, so it's a huge guitar.
And look at the space between these pickups and then these pickups. I guess, yeah, this has 3 technically, but still.
Yeah, humbucker to... Yeah, it is quite a difference, eh? This humbucker to that neck. Big difference. Yeah, it's a lot closer there.
And I mean, is this the neck that was on there?
On the PV, yes.
So if we just compare and contrast, there's that PV neck, and you have this Razorback neck. Actually, I think, no, it's a tiny bit taller. It's like an inch taller. Forget the actual neck. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, the PV should be 25 and a half scale, and the Dime is actually a smaller guitar at 24 and 3/4, which is bizarre because it's a bigger guitar but smaller scale. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, those two should be the same. Those are both 25 and a halves. So both Fender, if you want to call it scale.
Yeah.
And the Dime's the Gibson, if you want to call it scale. So Dime's like a Les Paul, and the PV's like a Stratocaster. That makes sense? I don't know. Okay, guy. Well.
On foot.
Yeah, that's a 25 and an 1/8 scale.
That's a sick axe.
Yeah.
Sick axe. Just this crappy PV and then Dime.
Yeah, it's Dime's Stratocaster. That's wood from his backyard.
Hold on.
What's this one? Eddie Van Halen Dime.
Yeah,
Eh?
Van Halen's signature Razorback.
Might as well jump, guy.
1989 series right here. Go ahead and jump.
5150 Dime.
Oh, hold on. Do we have a Telecaster neck?
Okay, last one. Last
Okay,
one.
last one.
Okay.
There's like... Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna put this neck on that guitar, actually. Some home improvement. Tim Allen. Hold on. Here we go.
Yeah.
Dime's famous Telecaster from hell.
You want some chicken picking? There you go. It got some good twang. Some metal twang.
That's pathetic.
Okay, let's stop. Okay.